ओह, फिर से आ गए। तो मतलब फटाफट वीडियो देख रहे हो आप। अगर फटाफट वीडियो देख रहे हो आप, सो फटाफट सीखते हैं फिर। सो लेट्स जस्ट जंप इनटू दिस टॉपिक, हाउ टू यूज़ WebView in React Native. So in order to use the WebView in React Native, we have to use a library called React Native WebView. Okay, so here we have the library and we just need to install this library. Just click here and you can see the weekly download is more. It's it's okay. So just gonna install. Before installing, I'm just checking I have installed or not. WebView, not. So just just copy this. I'm just clicking, actually I'm clicking. Okay, so it will install the React Native WebView. Meanwhile, I am showing you guys that how we can use the React Native WebView. Just need to copy this line, so copy it. What to do now? Should I need to make another component for this? Yeah, definitely I have to create. So gonna create one new component for the term and condition. So I want what to create a new folder here, term condition, like this only. Okay, and then I should create one new index.js. That's it, nothing else. I don't want to create anything else. Okay, I wanted to create the functional based component only. Okay, cool, got your point. And I want to give the name is term and condition. All right, and okay, so I wanted to give this T capital, and I don't want to use this. And first of all, I wanted to just copy this and paste over here for the WebView, importing the package, just importing the package. Okay, the package is installed. All right, and we don't need to, I guess, do pod install, something like this. Let's just check after that. Okay, so I have, okay, in this example you can see we have the URI given already. So let me just, for the checking perspective, I'm just implementing the same thing. Okay, so we have this one, but in order to check my term and condition, what to do, I have to click on the term and condition first of all. From where I can see the term and condition? Is there any way? Is there any okay, the flow is like this only. After sign up, you will see the term and condition page. Alright, so when you'll click on the sign up button, then you'll get it. Alright, so we have the sign up and sign up button. Where is the sign up button? Okay, this is on a button, and here we have this on press, and then I'm actually going into this function, but actually the function is not created. So let's just use the navigation dot, oh, what was that? Okay, so we just need to use the navigate because we are actually using this function that is actually made by me only. So what I have to do, term and condition page. Alright, just copy this name, go to the app navigator, and here just need to copy like this and paste like this only. Just rename my name from sign up page to term and condition. It's a temp option. It's a temp, not temp, it's a term and condition. Just copy and paste, correct it here and correct here as well, the sign up page. Oh my god, it was so wrong. Okay, and I just need to define the location of this component, and then the login component, this just it. We don't need to do anything else because we have already created index.js page. This is the power of index.js. We don't need to define the actual path. Okay, cool. Okay, so I mean, if I'll click on the sign up button, then it will navigate me to the term and condition page. That is basically this component. Alright, let me see. Okay, so just click on the sign in, and then we have the sign up page. When you're gonna click on the sign up page, you can see, guys, we have this web view, and and you can understand, I mean, in meanwhile when the web view is loading, we do not have any loader right now. It just a blank screen, and it is not a good for the user experience. So I will basically put the loader over here. In meanwhile it is rendering the actual web view, right? Okay, so here we have the link, and in the code, if you can see, this is the separate component for our web view. All right, and the requirement, as per the requirement, I'm going to show you first of all. All right, what is the requirement overall? What is the requirement? So the requirement was, we just need to I mean, after, so overall, in the short of the story, what is our requirement? So requirement is, we have to create this term and condition wala page, I mean this page. And when the user is basically signing up, I mean, if the user is creating a fresh account, after clicking on the register button or the sign up button, the user will get basically term and condition page. So this is the page, and this is look like this. So everything in this page will come from the backend API. So we will make an API for term and condition, and we will show the term and condition over here by just making an API call. After getting the response, we'll show the data over here. So in the response, we will get the HTML content. All right, so just for now I'm using this and guys. So HTML is just fixed because HTML I'm not going to create in this video, so that if you want this component, you can get it from there. All right, okay, so as you can see, we have two things as a drawback here. First, that the status bar is basically looks very bad, and also the loader, whenever we are loading the actual content of the web view, meanwhile it was showing the white background. So we don't need any white background, we need the loader. All right, so for the better user experience. So let's get started, and let's understand and let's implement that thing. All right, so how to do this? Let me just open React Native WebView. Okay, so here we have this package that actually we are using inside our project. All right, yeah, all right, yeah, here we have React Native WebView, you can see. Okay, cool. So for loader, what we have to do, is there any property? Oh, okay, so let me find from here. So in meanwhile, when we are getting the white screen, in meanwhile we need a loader. The second thing is, you can see the status bar, it looks like very bad. So let you understand how to do the first thing, loader. All right, okay, so first of all, what I'm going to do, okay, so the first thing first, I have to use onLoadStart. That is when you are actually clicking on the web view, or you can say then when you are opening the web view. In meanwhile, when the white screen start coming, this function will fire basically. So I'll basically maintain the state using hooks. So we have the use state, and I'm gonna use like this const and then use state, and by default I have the value which is false, and let's say visible and set visible. All right, let's say we have this set visible, and I'm gonna make it true. All right, and another property I have onLoadStart, and we have onLoadEnd, right? So I'm gonna use this, and in this function, basically this function will fire when your web view is rendered properly. So this function will fire, then we have to close the indicator or the loader, right? So let's make it false. All right, and where is my loader, where is my activity indicator? So for this I have to make the check under my JSX. Okay, cool, and I will use this kind of fragment, and here at the down I'm gonna use my activity indicator. So I'll put the check over here. If the value of is visible will be true, then only it will show me the activity indicator. And where is the activity indicator? So I have to import the activity indicator from where? From React Native. So activity indicator. Alright, so here's my activity indicator, self closing tag with some of the property style, and other we have color. Let's say I'm giving color is red. Alright, so for the styling I'm gonna give the position is, let's say, absolute, and from the top I need to make a gap from the top 50%. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna calculate my height and width. For that I have to use another property from the React Native package, which is called dimension. So let's just calculate the height using dimension property dot get function, and then we have to select the screen one, and then I need first height and then I need width of the screen. Oh, what happened? Okay, so the width one. Alright, and here I have my width. Okay, cool. And I'm gonna use this height and width in my styling and activity indicator. So here I have the height and I want to give 50%, so I have to divide by 2. And then from the left I also want width, and I want to give 1.8 something. Let's see what happened. Yeah, the reason why I'm giving 1.8 you will understand automatically. Okay, so this is it, I guess. Oh, no, we have to also give the property called visible, I guess. Yeah, and if it is true, then activity indicator will show you. Oh, activity indicator by default it will give you the indicator actually. So let's just do not give any property. Alright, so this is the visible proper. Okay, this is the visible state that we are maintaining here only. So let's just look into the UI. Get started, sign in, and then we have sign up, and then sign up click. Yo, okay, so you can see the small one in activity indicator. So we just need to give some height, or we have another property called size. Let's say I'm giving 25, and from the left I'm gonna give this 1.8 is big. Okay, let's just understand again by just reloading the app again. Okay. Okay, so get started, go to sign in, and then we have to go for the sign up process. Just click on sign up. Getting the activity indicator and open and close is good, start and close is good, but still it is very small and not looks like good. What is the problem? This is the property. Is this the property? Yeah, this is the property. Why it is still showing me the issue? Okay, let me use another property called size only. I have only size, so let's just use 25. What is happening? I mean, just reload the app once again. I hope this time it should work. Okay, sign in, sign up, click on sign up. It's still showing me the right most, and it is showing me still the small icon, right? What is the issue? Activity indicator, and inside my activity indicator I should have a size property. This is the straightforward property, color, on layout, size. Yeah, okay. It should accept the small and the large one, so let's just give the large. Okay. Oh, not here, the large one. I hope this time it should work. The rightmost issue, position issue, I will look after this. Okay, I guess this should work now. Okay, go to the sign in, going to sign up, and then sign up. Yeah, this time it's working fine. Okay, and what is the issue? The leftmost. So let's just give 2. Let's see what happens. What will happen? It can be happen. I mean, my measurement can be false somewhere. Sign in. Go to sign up. Click on the sign up button. Yo. This time it is working fine. If I will give 2.1, I guess this time it will give me the better one result. Let's see what happens. Shake and reload. Okay, cool. Okay, get started. Sign in and sign up, and then sign up. Click. Wow, perfect, fine. And after loading each and everything in the WebView, then it is actually only stopping my activity indicator. And this is the power of React Native, working perfect fine. Okay, so now the second issue is with the status bar. Alright, so here we have the property style, and just simply put margin top, let's say 20 or 25 we can give it. Okay, let's see what is happening. Okay, let's just give 30 margin top. I guess this should be correct one. I guess let's just give it 40. Let's say just 41. Okay, now it's a perfect one, because whenever you are getting your web view, it should be clear visible to the user, right? Here you can see. I guess this is it for this lecture. I hope you learned a lot of things in this. I told you about the story of how we can use React Native WebView, how to install the package, how to use React Native WebView, and how we can create another separate component to show your WebView in React Native. So we have used use state, calculating the height and width, and using the activity indicator, maintaining the states, and use some of the property of WebView. And I guess this is it for this lecture. Let's meet in the next video. But before going, I wanted to tell you what I'm gonna complete in the next video. So these screens are done, these upper screens are done already, and for next couple of videos, for coming next couple of videos, I'm gonna implement the most important thing, which is, you can see the chat in React Native. So for React Native, for chat in React Native, what I'm gonna use, I'll tell you in the next video. So first video for this chat, chat kind of stuff, I will tell you the story of what I'm gonna do and what approach I'm gonna use. So if you interested in chat functionality, if you wanted to implement same in React Native, then the video is for you. So please subscribe the channel right now and press on the bell icon so that you will never miss any update of the video. So in the next video, I'm gonna brief you about chat, and then we're gonna implement chat step by step, because I'm not going to complete chat in one video. I'm gonna complete step by step in a different several videos. So the chat, then we have so many of things, tracking, and the driver part we are working on, and the rider part, then the Node.js APIs that I'm gonna use, and the React.js part, which I'm gonna use for my admin panel to handle and track how many riders we have, how many drivers are active. So the database gonna we will show into the admin panel. So if you are only interesting, so if you only interested in the driver part or the rider part, I mean in the mobile part, so you can watch this playlist. I will put the playlist link in the description. You can go and check out other videos too. And if you're interested in full stack thing, I mean if you're interested how we are implementing the backend APIs using Node.js, how we are implementing the admin panel using React.js, and how we are integrating the APIs, how we are managing the mobile side. So like this, if you wanted to see each and everything in the solution of this taxi booking application, definitely you are most welcome here. Please do like and subscribe the channel. Okay, stay tuned with us and do like, share and subscribe the channel right now. Thank you so much guys, and I hope you learned a lot of things in this, and I hope you are safe and doing very great in your life. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.